Hi there and welcome to another tutorial of Tech Trainer. So in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how can we create a membership website. So we already know that Netflix is a membership website because when we want to visit Netflix, to visit their homepage we have to registration or sign in. This is because they have restricted their website for members only, which means only who have signed up or registered to their website, or which means who are their members, only their members can use their website. Okay, so basically in this tutorial I'm going to show you with a free theme which is Ultimate Membership. So with this is a plugin, Ultimate Membership plugin. So by using this free plugin, how can we create a membership website? Okay, so let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, before that we can take a view that currently this is my website. This is just a demo free template from Extra. Okay, so let's go to WordPress dashboard and then we have to go to our plugin. Okay, from plugin add new, and then we have to search Ultimate Membership plugin. Okay, this is Ultimate Membership. Okay, and this is the plugin Ultimate Member, which is a free. Let's just install now. Okay, now let's activate this plugin. Okay, this plugin is recommending us to create some free pages, so we simply click on create pages. Okay, we have got these pages or menu, we can say. So there is nothing we have to do. We'll go to our appearance, then we'll go to our menus and we'll add these pages to our menu. Okay, currently these are the menu are appearing in our header, and we'll select all these new pages and click on add to menu, and these pages are added to our menu. So we have to customize this menu right now. Okay, so we know that when we visit a website, membership website, first of all we need to register or login. So I will take this login menu in the top, and then I will make this register menu as sub menu. Okay, so this is one menu, login, under this is register, and now we will create another menu only. So account is the our second menu, and under account we can keep password receipt. Then we will take the user. Okay, both are sub menu, and then we will take this member, and the logout menu will be added in the last. Okay, now we have to do something like who will watch this login menu. Definitely everyone will be able to see this menu, because when new visitors will visit our website they have to log in, and same for register and account. But who will be able to receive their password? Definitely who are our members or already have logged in. So we'll choose logged in users. Then for the user, same, we'll make sure it is selected for logged in. Same for members, it will be logged in users, and definitely only people who have logged in, they will be able to log out. And then we can click on save menu. Okay, now let's go to our website and let's take a refresh and let's see how it look like. Look, our page, our menus are appearing right now, and this is account option, password receipt, user, members, logout. Okay, let's take a look how user page look like. Okay, when someone will log in, and this is how their user profile will look like. They can add a picture or a cover, and this is a setting, and this is how their account will look like. There will be a account option, change password, privacy, delete account option, profile name, they can change their name, first name, last name, email address, etc. Okay, we have got a basic idea about how it will look like. And if we copy this website link, and let's see how it will look when a new visitor will visit our website. When a new visitor will visit our website, it will be the appearance of this screen, and when they will register, they will get the other sub menu like user profile, membership, etc. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, now we will back to our ultimate member plugin. Okay, so after installing our plugin, these are the functionality of this plugin. First of all, we'll go to our dashboard. Okay, from dashboard we'll get this option, user approved, rejected. Okay, I will click on users. Okay, in the user option there are only one user, who is the admin. Okay, and his rule is administrator, which means he is the administrator or admin. And if a new visitor will visit our website and he will sign up or register in our website, then his name will be appear here too. And when he will register in our website, he will be our subscriber only. But if we want to change his rule to administrator or anything, contributor, author, etc., then just we have to click on his profile and we'll change the rule we want to submit. Like if we want to make him contributor, then we'll select contributor and we'll click on change, and that's how things work. And this is how we can approve their request or etc. Okay, next what we can see, let's go. Then there is setting, forms. Okay, let's go to forms. Okay, these are two default form. One is registration form, second one is login, and there is one more which is default profile. If you want, we can edit this page in Elementor. For that, we have to simply click on edit, and we can edit our pages. And we already know how to edit a page with our Elementor, so I'm not going to waste my time by showing you how can we edit pages. You already know that. Okay, then this is user rules. Okay, we already know the rules: subscriber, editor, contributor, author, administrator. There is nothing new. Let's go to member directories. Okay, there is also nothing. Okay, let's go to setting option. Here is our all works to do. Okay, first of all, it is general option, then there is users. Okay, in the user option, what will be appear in profile permalink base. Okay, we can keep it on the username. This is cool. And in the display name, in user display name, it will be their first name and last name, but we can change it to anything like nickname, username, etc. Okay, this is professional. We'll never change these things. And then we can select one more thing. This is a profile icon, which is use gravators, and there are nothing more to do. We can save change. Then this is account. Okay, our main job is to our access option. Here are everything we need to do. Okay, right now who can access to our website? Definitely right now it is everyone can access to our website. And if we go to below, there is something like what we want to restrict. Like we can restrict our post, page, or categories, right? Okay, and we can click on save change. Okay guys, suppose I want to restrict one of my page. So suppose I want to restrict my about page. Okay, then what we have to do is just simply go to page, then click on edit to our about page. Okay, so in bottom we can see a option which is restrict access to this post. We'll click on that, then we'll select only logged in users will be able to view this page. Okay, and then we'll select this subscriber role from here, and we'll make sure it is redirect to user. Okay, it will be redirected to our login page. So to view this page, our user have to log in, and then click on update. Okay, it's updated. Let's go back to our dashboard. Now let's see what happens when someone will visit our website without login. Okay, they can't see this page. This is restricted. So when they will click on this page, it will take them to login or register page. So they have to login or register to view my page. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, let's go to our setting again and to access. Okay, one more thing. Right now I restricted my page, but if I want to restrict my post or category, simply I have to go to my post or category, and same way I will click on edit, and in the bottom I will get this option same. Okay, and let's see our final thing, which is if I want only people, only my members will be able to visit this website, like Netflix, when only their members can visit their website, and when someone who is not their member, like unknown like us, want to visit their website, they need to sign up. Or this is a custom page Netflix has added to their website. In the same way, so if we want only members will be able to visit our website, then we have to create a custom page and upload this link right there. Okay, so for that, let's create just a custom page. Let's see. Okay, let's name it registration page and publish. Let's edit with Elementor. Okay, I have to click on setting, then page layout. From page layout we have to make sure it is Elementor canvas and update. So what we have to do is just simply create a page like this. We can put a movies picture, and then we can create a registration form, but I'm not wasting your time, so I'll just add a picture. I think you already know how to create a page or a form. So let's select a picture. And have to click on insert media, and I will update. Okay, if I view this page, I can copy this page link, and now I can go back to our setting and paste this page link, and I have to make sure this is not selected, and then just save changes. Okay, now let's see what happened when a new visitor will visit our website. Okay, it will take them to the custom page we designed and the link we submitted in this box. So when our visitors will submit the registration form, it will take them redirectly to the original website, and this is how this ultimate member plugin works. So I hope you understood this video and enjoyed, and if you really enjoyed, then please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel. And till then, stay blessed. Tata, goodbye.